हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। सो अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। सो आज के वीडियो में हम 16 अगस्त 2025 के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर एमसीक्यूज को थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Who will lead the 79th Independence Day celebration in India on August 15, 2025 at the Red Fort? And the correct answer is Prime Minister of India. Second question, which state will get a new veterinary college approved by the center under Kamdhenu University? And the correct answer is Gujarat. Third question, which ministry launched the Shresth Index to strengthen state drug regulatory systems in India? And the correct answer is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and the full form of Shresth is State Health Regulatory Excellence Index. Fourth question, which body under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports signed a 3-year MOU with SOUL to train 1 lakh youth leaders? And the answer is My Bharat. Fifth question, RBI has allowed foreign banks with special rupee vostro accounts in India to invest their surplus rupee balance in which type of securities? And the answer is central government securities. Sixth question, which bank has upgraded its smartwatch app to support 9 regional languages? So the correct answer is HDFC Bank. So यहाँ आपके सामने 3 क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं रिलेटेड टू HDFC बैंक, जिनका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना है। सो पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हेन वाज HDFC बैंक फाउंडेड? HDFC बैंक को कब फाउंड किया गया है? दूसरा क्वेश्चन, वेयर इज द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ HDFC बैंक? HDFC बैंक का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है? तीसरा क्वेश्चन, हु इज द प्रेजेंट CEO ऑफ HDFC बैंक? HDFC बैंक के प्रेजेंट CEO कौन है? सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन, which private sector bank recently reduced its minimum monthly average balance requirement to 15,000 for new saving account after customer feedback? And the correct answer is ICICI Bank. सो यहाँ पे आपके सामने 3 क्वेश्चंस हैं, इनका भी आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना है। सो पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हेन वाज ICICI बैंक फाउंडेड? ICICI बैंक को कब फाउंड किया गया है? दूसरा क्वेश्चन, वेयर इज द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ ICICI बैंक? ICICI बैंक का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है? तीसरा क्वेश्चन, हु इज द प्रेजेंट CEO ऑफ ICICI बैंक? ICICI बैंक के प्रेजेंट चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर कौन है? 8th क्वेश्चन, Rohit Krishna S became India's 89th player to achieve which chess title? And the correct answer is Chess Grandmaster. 9th question, Astrofel Aerospace has signed an MOU with which nodal body under the Department of Space for developing reusable rocket engines? And the correct answer is IN-SPACE. 10th question, who inaugurated the World Elephant Day 2025 celebration in Tamil Nadu? And the answer is Bhupendra Yadav. 11th question, a historic 24-hour discussion on Vision 2047 began in the monsoon session of the Assembly of which of the following states? And the correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. 12th question, Partition Horrors Remembrance Day is observed annually on 14th August. In which year did the Government of India decide to observe this year every year? And the correct answer is 2021. 13th question, what was the name of the typhoon that struck Taiwan on August 13, 2025? And the correct answer is Typhoon Podal. 14th question, in which region of Jammu and Kashmir a massive cloud burst triggered the flash flood? And the correct answer is Kishtwar. 15th question. Which state has banned the use of the word Harijan in official communications? And the correct answer is Odisha. 16th question. Which Independence Day is India celebrating on 15th August 2025? And the correct answer is 79th. 17th question. Which city has been proposed by the Indian Olympic Association, that is IOA, as the primary host for the 2030 Commonwealth Games? And the answer is Ahmedabad. 18th question. Which company became the first to join the International Council on Mining and Metals, that is ICMM, in August 2025? And the answer is Hindustan Zinc Limited. 19th question. Which leader has been re-elected to the post of General Secretary, Secretary Administration of the Constitution Club of India, that is CCI, in August 2025? And the correct answer is Rajiv Pratap Rudy. 20th question. Which space agency aims to install a nuclear reactor to power a permanent human base on the moon by 2030? And the correct answer is NASA. And NASA का फुल फॉर्म आपको मुझे कमेंट करके बताना है. 21st question. Which state has won the overall team title in the 4th Sub-Junior Under-15 Boys and Girls National Boxing Championship held in August 2025? And the correct answer is Haryana. 22nd question. In August 2025, the Indian Army has conducted the first integrated multi-stake mock drill exercise in Delhi NCR under what name? And the correct answer is Suraksha Chakra. 23rd question. According to the Namo Safety Index mid-2025, which is considered the safest city in India? And the correct answer is Mangalore. 24th question. Which country has launched the world's first planned population migration plan due to climate change? And the correct answer is Tuvalu. 25th question. The well-known country Tonga, where a magnitude 6.2 earthquake occurred, is located in which ocean? And the answer is Pacific Ocean. 26th question. On August 14, 1,671 crore has been sent to farmers in their bank account under the Mukhya Mantri Kisan Kalyan Yojana scheme was launched in which state? And the correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. 27th question. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita is in the news. Which state did it replace? And the answer is Indian Penal Code. 28th question. From 1st October 2025 to 1st October 2026, UPSC will celebrate its centenary year. When was UPSC established? And the answer is 1st October 1926. 29th question. The APAAR ID, without which CBSE exams cannot be taken, was launched on which date? And the correct answer is 15 September 2023. And the last 30th question. Sabha web portal has been launched by which ministry? And the correct answer is Ministry of Panchayati Raj. तो ये थे 16 अगस्त 2025 के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स. और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे. तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है विच टीम वन दी UEFA सुपर कप 2025. तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में.